Hi, I'm Glenn Villar of Brain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog.
Brain Access Solutions.
Okay, in this episode, I'm just gonna show you a quick way to use your regular phones as a webcam. But I'm not yet going to talk about the iPhones. We're gonna use the Android phone, which is the easiest medium to apply this application. Okay, let's start. So if you look at my screen, I'm gonna try Google, right? You can actually directly type in here or type Google here, it doesn't matter. It's going to search for it anyway. So you type DroidCam for Windows. This application is DroidCam. So in order for this thing to work, you need to download two softwares. One is DroidCam for Windows and another is DroidCam for your phone. So here, as you can see on the screen, I have DroidCam for Windows from Dev47 apps. Click it and you'll see this DroidCam client here. So if you click this one, you're gonna download. It's gonna send it go. It's going to bring you to the download section. So anyway, I've already downloaded mine. So I'm just gonna show you the icon. Yeah, this icon here. Okay, so for your phone, you're gonna need to download it. I'm just gonna show you the quick. Hold on. Yeah, it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So wait, hold on. I'm gonna try and connect to a different Wi-Fi using my MiFi. Okay, now we're connected. I'm just going to show you how you can download the application for your phone. So you usually go to your Google Play and type this application here, DroidCam. Okay, here, this is the application that you need to download. It's the DroidCam for. Oh, it's not focusing. So let's try to remove this and do manual focus. Yes, it's a DroidCam for PC. This is the logo. Then you just click install, right? So let's wait for it to install. While installing, so by the way, you can select between using the cable or the wireless if you want to connect to your phone. So I haven't tried using the cable, but I'm using the Wi-Fi straight. So it means there's probably a little bit of lagging, but I don't notice it because it's fast anyway. So let's check. Now it's almost done installing. So I'm gonna open it. Next. Got it. Okay, hello. Okay, so the moment you run this application, it's not clear here, but it's showing you once you run the application, the DroidCam, It's going to show you the IP address. Then you can use your application to connect to it. So I'm just gonna stop my camera first so you can see how. Let's run the DroidCam. Okay, here. So once you run the DroidCam for Windows, it's gonna present you with the IP address of the IP address on your phone. So mine is 136. You don't need to change the port. You just click it, and there you go. So that's how easy it is to set up the DroidCam for Windows. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. And if you find this channel useful, please subscribe. Thank you.